Jenny Ryan, 39, has been on The Chase in 2015 and is most known as the Vixen. The Chaser has taken to Twitter to express how proud she is of friend Brandon Blackwell on his latest career move after has been named as one of co-worker Mark Labbett's replacements on the US version of the show. Brandon took to Twitter yesterday to break the news of his role on The Chase USA. He penned, "Back in the USA, new and improved. Still not here to make friends. It's now public, I have joined at the Chesapeake as a chaser, and am not alone. Fun is over when the new season begins May 3rd. Jenny took to Twitter in view of her 107,500 followers to respond to the news. She said, "Extremely proud of my friend Brandon. Get ready, USA." One social media user took to the comments to point out Jenny's congratulatory message directed at her co-worker Mark's replacement. T-Books Jen said, "No more beastie? I'm in the US and what I don't like about the American version is the lack of humor. None of you take yourselves too terribly seriously and Brad's little interjections make the show so fun. I wish they had selected a comedian to host rather than a journalist." This comes as Mark took to Twitter yesterday to break his silence after it was announced that he had been axed from the US version of The Chase. The 56-year-old shared the news on Twitter in view of his 157,000 followers. The quizzer posted a promotional photo of the new series of the popular program. The official account read, "New season. New chasers. Victoria Gross, Brandon Blackwell, and Buzzy Cohen joined Brad Rutter and James Holzhauer on May 3rd when #The Chase returns." Reacting to the post, Mark admitted he was gutted to not be returning for another season. He replied, "Gutted to not be invited back but really excited at the new lineup. I'm expecting Brandon and Victoria to wow America." In a follow-up tweet, Mark wrote, "Really hope somebody gives Brooke Burns the shot she deserves at a network show." Millie001 asked, "Was it because of contract reasons from The Chase Australia?" Mark replied, "No, they just didn't renew me." No reason was offered. Following his announcement, fans flocked to comment on the news. Michelle_Olin said, "You were the best one, the only one that could really trash talk." Paula_363 added, "Mark him gutted as well, as are the majority of the Chase fans. To me you are, and always will be the Chase and the Beast. To top that off, a well-respected gentleman."